Practice lead to change. Knowledge alone is a silent flame, bright in thought but still the same. Wait for hands, for feet and voice, for daily action, for conscious choice. Book can teach you how to fly. Wings are built when you try. Wisdom sleeps in pages white until practice wakes into the light. Knowledge must practice again and again. Thorough efforts, failure, joy and pain. Practice must lead to change that is real. Not just what you think, but what you feel ideal. We learn a truth, we signal our head. But truth lies only when it led into habits, into deeds, into helping hands and honest needs. Practice is quite slow and kind. Shape the heart, train the mind. It asks for patience, asks for time. It turns rough effort into rhyme. Change does not knock a single day. It grows when you show up anyway. But practice whispers soft and true. Stay with words, they will carry you. Knowledge to action, action to trust. Try again when trying feels dust. This is the bridge where courage stands. Built not by words but by working hand. One day the world will see your light. Overnight success built every night. They will call it luck, they will call it grace. Not knowing practice run the race. Learn with hunger, act with care. Repeat with love even when unfair. Let knowledge guide, let practice stay. Change will meet you on the way. Knowledge that lived become a voice. Practice gives power to every choice. Change is not a sudden flame. It is knowledge to practice again and again. The power of practice. Practice is quiet, make no sound. No shining stage, no crowd around. Show up daily, calm and true. Doing the small things we avoid to do. Wakes us early, stay up late. Does not argue, does not wait. White talent dreamed of sudden shine. Practice builds strength line by line. In daily life and in work we face. Practice teaches us patience and grace. From tying shoes to leading team, turn our effort into dream. First step shake, hands may fear. Mistakes feel loud, progress unclear. But practice says come back again. Growth begins where you start, no matter when. At work sharpen skill and sight. Turn slow learning into quiet might. One task repeated, done with care. Become command strong and rare. Practice does not rush the race. Trust the progression, set the pace. Know the success not a spark, but steady steps in the dark. When failures knock and confidence bend, practice stand, it never ends. It says fall today, stand tomorrow. Turn each lesson into borrowed sorrow. Daily habits small and plain. Outrun talent driven by pride like rain. 5 minutes more, one try again. That is how strong foundations are grown. Practice in words make voice clear. Practice in action remove the fear. Practice in kindness teach with care. Build a life that's strong and fair. Some days feel slow, results feel thin. Practice work when you don't see win. Like roots beneath the silent ground, power grow without a sound. Show up daily tired or bright. Practice in shadow, practice in light. Not luck, not magic, not overnight fame. Just practice calling your name. In life, in work, in dreams you chase. Practice is power, time and grace.